Hi, this is Gail. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about my monthly checklist for my 2020 goals with a collab with Amalia. So, was I successful or not? We shall see. First of all, videos and channel startup. Yay, I did start a channel. Did I do a goal video for January? Yes, I did. So that's a plus. Did I do some journaling or mixed media videos per month? Yes, I did. I did too. Okay. And you might remember that one of them was a flip through of this planner that was through a Mrs. Cog class. That was also a finish up project. And one of them was a tutorial on how I make my bookmarks. And this was made out of a Daphne's Diary cover. Okay, so I did do that. Finish projects. As you just saw, I did complete my planner project. So yes, I finished a project. Organization and cleanup. Clean up desk after each project I did. Craft room at least once a month. Not so much so because I'm still organizing my craft closet and bringing things up from my basement craft room. So I'm going to give myself a half on that. Okay? Use up stash and track spending. Papers. Well, I did use up some papers that I had in my Mrs. Cog planner. I also used up some papers in making this piano hinge journal. I did this via a tutorial on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day, can't remember which, and I believe it was Janet Young that showed us how to do this. I, however, didn't quite follow the directions exactly right, so I ended up only with 3 of the skewers. I was supposed to have 6. I ended up putting 2 pages together, which actually turned out okay because it seemed to strengthen the whole journal. But these are papers that I probably wouldn't have used otherwise, so it used up some papers. And another thing I've been doing is I started with a 12 by 12 paper like this one. Well, actually, I'll show you what I did with one just like this one. This probably isn't something I would have used otherwise. So I took that and I made a master board, and I did that using tissue paper. So this is all tissue paper on here, and it's the exact same paper underneath. You can sort of see it peeking through under the butterflies, but it's that exact same plaid paper. So I haven't decided what I'm going to make out of this master board, but I'm sure I will find something interesting to do with it. So those are some of the ways that I have used papers. So I did use papers. I haven't done any painting. I have minimized spending. I did do one big spend, but it's still pretty much around what I had hoped to keep my spending to. So I'm going to give myself a half on this one too. Educate. Minimum of 3 retreats, classes, or online courses to stay fresh and synergize. Well, I am in the middle of doing an online course, so I'm going to give myself a third on that. I'm not going to share any more about that until I get it done. Do a swap, at least one this year. Haven't done that, so I'm going to give myself a minus. Don't really have anything in mind for that either. So, how am I doing? Well, I'm doing okay. I think the biggest thing for me was to get the videos done and the channel started, and now to continue that. So we'll see how I do. All right, so that's all I have from my collab, and I really appreciate doing this collaboration because it really is helping me to stay more focused and do more when it comes to my crafting instead of just playing and making ephemera and then starting projects and not finishing. So, yay for me. Alrighty, I hope that this inspires you to get out there and do some organizing and some finishing of projects and maybe start up a channel. So, take care. Thanks for stopping by. Until next month. Bye.